Let me tell you all about barhopbartender.biz. It's a virtual bar targeted to millennial business owners. On our site, you'll find different drink recipes for your own leisure and your own pleasure. You'll even find guides and tips to mixing up your own drinks. Why would you want to mix up your own drinks, you ask? Make your network bigger. When you have a large network, you have a lot to offer. You can sell anything. barhopbartender.biz can help you do that. The purpose of barhopbartender.biz is to offer the atmosphere of the virtual bar where you can get tips, guides to starting your own business, follow the life and my journey in building my bartender business. With my blogs, I'm very transparent in all of my startup processes, the mistakes that I've made, even back towards the evolvement of me, the creator of Bar Hop Bartender. Just like most people, it has to start somewhere. Bar Hop Bartender is a site for people who are ready to start today. Fun, filled, loving area, all about inspiring people to become what they want to be. Even if you want to become a bartender, barhopbartender.biz is the place. You can learn all about mixing drinks, add it to your business, or starting your own bar business. You want to do that with barhopbartender.biz. When I created barhopbartender.biz, I wanted to reach people who inspired to be something more but wasn't ready or didn't know exactly what direction to go. In my journey of building my business, I started knowing I wanted to be an entrepreneur, didn't know what I wanted to. Then I found I was talented at bartending, and I learned getting information about starting my business wasn't easy. A lot of times people want to overcharge you for information you learn in college when you need to actually be physically applying these things to your life rather than, paying for courses and sales trainings and things that don't work. And I wanted to make something that I can share everything that I learned with people like myself who want to go in business for themselves. I took a bar company. What company do you want to take?